Hey guys, on today's segment I'll be making a grilled veggie ciabatta sandwich. So start by first washing the eggplants and red peppers. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon and I'm at home making the sandwich before my family comes home. Add a generous amount of olive oil so the veggies don't stick to the baking sheet. Sprinkle some kosher salt and add some pepper, and I like to put some oregano in there as well. Of course, you could omit that or substitute it with basil. Put that in a preheated 350-degree oven, top rack, for 35 minutes. I'm using day-old ciabatta bread. Any kind of artisanal bread would work. A baguette. If you like to use a roll, that's fine too. Just avoid using sliced bread because it's flimsy and you don't want the sandwich to fall apart in your hands while you're eating it. Place some thick mozzarella slices or provolone onto the bread and pop that in the oven for about 10 minutes. And there you have it, your grilled veggie ciabatta sandwich. You don't expect me to put that whole thing in my mouth. This is not an ASMR video, but I gotta tell you, it's quite tasty. So go ahead and make one of your own. Leave a comment if you like what you just saw. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.